Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to automate pressing keys on the keyboard. This jQuery application allows us to search, but does not allow us to click the search icon. Notice how I type API, but nothing happens after clicking the icon. However, this other jQuery application is different. We can search for API, click the search icon, and we see results. In order to continue with our search on the first application, we must press the Enter key. Then we see some results. Let's automate pressing the Enter key by inspecting the WebElement. The ID attribute is not available, so we are going to use the name attribute, which has a value of S. Let's go to Eclipse. We will use the Selenium Keys class and the robots class to press the Enter key. Find the element by writing driver.findElement by name. S dot sendKeys test. On the next line, we will press the Enter key. Driver.findElement by name S dot sendKeys. The Enter key is pressed using the sendKeys method. Now we write keys dot, and there are a lot of methods: arrow down, left, right, up, backspace, cancel, but we want enter. That's how we automate using the Selenium class. Now let's automate using the robot class. We start with the robot class equal new robot. Import the class. The robots class is used where control of the mouse and keyboard is needed. Add a throws declaration. Next, we find the element. Driver.findElement by name S dot sendKeys. This time we are going to use JSON. Robot dot, and the robots class has over 10 methods. We are going to press the Enter key, so we select key press, then key event. Dot. Key event is also a class. It indicates the keystroke. The keystroke we want is BK underscore enter. There is one more statement. We pressed the Enter key, but have not released the Enter key. Therefore, our last statement is robots dot key release. Key event dot VK underscore enter. Let's run. Test. JSON. Both methods passed. That's it for pressing keys on the keyboard using the Selenium class and robots class.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.